Excuse me, are you Ariel?
Yes, that's me, and you are?
I'm Fahmi. I just joined the engineering team this week. I've heard a lot about you from my supervisor. It's really nice to meet you.
Oh, welcome to the team. Fahmi, it's great to meet you. How's your first week been so far?
It's been good, a bit overwhelming, lots of new face, new system, and lot to learn. But everyone has been really welcoming.
That's completely normal. I remember my first week here. It felt like a real wine of information, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it soon.
That's reassuring to hear. Actually, I wanted to introduce myself and also ask for some advice about the company culture. Since you've been here for a while, I figured you're the best person to ask.
It's a great initiative for me. I'd be happy to share. The company values teamwork a lot, so collaboration is key. If you ever have questions, don't hesitate to ask your colleagues. People here appreciate it when you show interest and take initiative.
That's good to know. I've noticed that the team here seems to work closely together. Do you have any tips on how to integrate smoothly?
Definitely, first be proactive. Introduce yourself to different team members, not just the once you work directly with. Building relationship early on will help you in the long run. Also, don't be afraid to participate in discussion during meeting. Your fresh perspective can be valuable.
I see. I was a little hesitant to speak up during my first team meeting because I wasn't sure if it was appropriate.
I understand that. A good approach is to listen careful first, then ask thoughtful questions. That why you contribute without feeling like you're overstepping. Over time, as you become more familiar with the project, you'll naturally feel more confident sharing your ideas.
That makes a lot of sense. Are there any unwritten rules I should be aware of? Sometimes office dynamics can be tricky to navigate.
Good question. One thing to keep in mind is virtually meeting that start on time, so try to be there a few minutes early. Also, emails are taken quite seriously. If you get an email that requests a response, try to reply within a reasonable time frame, even if it's just to acknowledge receipt.
Got it. I'll make sure to stay on top of that. What about lunch break and social interaction? Do people usually eat together or is it more individual?
It's different. Some people prefer to eat at their desk, but a lot of us go to the cafeteria together. It's a good way to build relationship. If you get invite, it's recommend joining at least occasionally. It helps you get to know your colleagues outside of work topics.
That sounds like a great way to connect with people. I'll definitely make an effort to join. Since you've been here for a while, what would you say is the biggest challenge new employees face?
It's a balancing workload and time management. There are always multi-project happening at once, so it's important to prioritize tasks. Make sure to clarify deadlines and expectations with your manager early on.
That's really helpful. Do you have any advice on career growth within the company?
Absolutely. One of the best way to grow here is by showing initiative. volunteer for projects that align with your interests and skill. Also, find a mentor, someone can guide you and give you feedback. If you ever need help with that, I'd be happy to introduce you to a few people.
That would be amazing. I really appreciate your help, Ara. I
No problem at all. We were all new at some point, so I know how it feels. You're already taking the right step by asking questions and getting involved.
Thanks, Ariel. This conversation has been really insightful. I feel a lot more confident about adjusting to the company now.
I'm glad to hear that. And remember, if you ever need anything, just reach out. We're all here to support each other.
I will. Looking forward to working with you. Have a good day.
If you want, see you around.